This is a baby memory book that I made for a customer who will be giving it to her best friend at the baby shower. And this is used Once Upon a Forest, My Porch Prints digital kit. And so I put this little inscription opportunity there so that they can put the baby's name in there. And there's some little interactive features here. And pretty images, lots of blank pages for writing, all about babies and making memories. Some tucks in there, some little pockets and things in there. Hidden paper clip. These are 32-pound pages, nice and thick, premium paper, so that you can write and the ink won't bleed. Here's a magnetized envelope with a little postcard inside. And that's sewn right into the signature on the middle page. And there's a nice ruffle. Such pretty paper. More writing space. Love the images. Here's a belly band and a little booklet with a little booklet inside it as well. I don't know, maybe the little baby when it gets older can have this little book. Just something to play with. More pages. Here's some pockets with, this is a nice thick tag in there. Just something to use as a bookmark or just something nice to look at. Lots of little envelopes and fun stuff. Interactive features. And on the very last page here is a frame, and I designed this frame so that on this tag on the other side you could put a family picture or a baby picture and then put that back into the frame. That would be a truly personalized book. Little dangle with a little button, and on the back. And so this is an actual book. I made a text block with signatures. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 signatures of pages, and I sew the signatures together using a curved needle and what's called a kettle stitch, and each signature is bound to the other on the outside. And then I make a cover, and then I adhere the text block to the cover using these end pages, and the end pages are here and here, folded in the middle. And so it's truly a book binding process. And so that's my baby memory book using My Porch Prints Once Upon a Forest digital kit. Hope you like it. Take care. Bye.